Hello, my name is Alan Lumsden. I'm the chairman of the Department of Cardiovascular Surgery here at Houston Methodist Hospital.
And I'm Zvonimir Krejzer, current president of the International Society of Endovascular Specialists. We are excited to invite you to join us for our first annual ISEVS Symposium. This premier conference will take place at the Houston Methodist Research Institute in the Texas Medical Center.
This is a 2.5-day conference, and it will offer didactic lectures from well-renowned cardiovascular interventionalists. It will also feature intensive hands-on workshops designed to teach interventionalists a variety of techniques. We plan to offer 3 tracks, one for the novice, or the new young surgeon or young interventionalist, an intermediate track, and an advanced track. That means you can hone your skills at an individualized level. By the end of the conference, attendees should be ready to apply these techniques and improve their clinical practice.
We hope you will join us, and we look forward to seeing you in September.